All right, next up, you want to utilize LinkedIn features. You want to use hashtags to reach a broader audience. Hashtags are really best used in your About Me section at the top of your profile. I would also try LinkedIn stories and live videos to engage in real time with your audience, just so that they can keep up to date, understand, what the purpose of your messages are. Maybe there's something you want to promote in relation to your industry. Using stories and live videos on LinkedIn can be a valuable way in communicating with professionals within your industry, and also, can help to boost that credibility that you have on the platform. I'd also say participate in groups. This is a very underutilized part of LinkedIn. LinkedIn groups can be beneficial if you find the right ones. It'll help you expand your network, and they're easy to find and also join. So definitely take advantage of all the tools LinkedIn offers to amplify your presence. So, to sum it up, building a presence on LinkedIn is about more than just filling out your profile. It's about sharing value, engaging with others, and just showcasing your achievements. All right, thanks again for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, I've included a link below to my LinkedIn optimization service. Check it out and see you next time.